In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Jotform subscription. If you're considering a switch to a different plan or simply wish not to continue with their service, I've got you covered with a clear and straightforward guide to help you through the process. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Jotform account. For this, head over to the Jotform website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your account to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you're ready for the next step. Next up, we need to access the settings area of your account. You can do this by navigating to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Give it a click and then select the settings option from the drop-down menu. This will direct you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Jotform account. Now within the settings page, identify the billing tab. Click on it and you'll be taken to a section where you can view your current payment and subscription plan details. It's important to really pay attention in this area to ensure you're selecting the option that best fits your current needs. Under the Billing tab, open the section that showcases your current plan. If you don't see any plan activated, it's likely because there's not one in place right now. However, when there is a plan activated, it will be visible here. From this section, you can choose to downgrade or cancel your subscription plan. You might also find an option to switch to a free plan if that suits your needs better. Take a moment to review your options and select the one that aligns with what you're hoping to achieve. Throughout this process, keep in mind that different plans may have varied terms and conditions. So if you're unsure or need clarification on what a switch might entail in terms of features or billing, don't hesitate to reach out to Jotform's customer support for further assistance. They can provide detailed insight into which cancellation or downgrade path will be most beneficial for you based on your specific situation. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the steps to manage your Jotform subscription. Remember, managing subscriptions effectively can help you save money and ensure you're always using a plan that gives you exactly what you need. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to refer back to this guide anytime you need a refresher on managing your Jotform account. Until next time.